All right, I just got 2 new packages. I got 2 fragrances. I'm gonna box both of them together. One is Lattafa. It's the 10th of my haul that I've been doing lately. And the other one is one I've wanted for a very long time. So I'm gonna start with the Lattafa first. Here's the box. Feels a little rubbery on the front. This, I don't know if you can see, it's like a fingerprint right there. I guess I don't understand why there's a fingerprint there. It's powerful. Wow, that is so powerful. Okay, you know, it's funny. There is a arm off that is a clone of a By Kilian, and this smells like the arm off. So I'm wondering if that's what it's going for. I'm really liking it. Again, it smells just like that one. Oh, this is so good. I've not looked it up. It is very floral, has a hint of sweetness, a hint of freshness. It is very floral though. It smells very rosy. Like that rose mixed with, I almost want to call it like an amber, but it's not very ambery. So it's not like that dark, nice fall, winter ambery fragrances. Love those. But it definitely smells like a little bit of that. So I'm liking this. I'm gonna see how this goes. So this is the one I'm excited for. I have wanted to smell this fragrance for a very long time. I'm very excited for this one. This is that one fragrance that you get that you sit there and you refresh the tracking every 5 seconds and it still doesn't update because you want to see when it's going to get here immediately. I'm hoping this is as good as I think it is. My arm is clean. I'm not even going to do the box for that one. Cap is metal. Our clicks aren't into place. Metal. My gosh. Metallic. No. Magnet. Cap is magnet. Jeez. I know what I'm saying, guys. This is going to go on blooper reel for sure. Oh, I like that. I will say it smells very similar to like Versace Pour Homme, which is one of my favorite fragrances. I love it. This is a much more fresh fragrance than I thought. I thought this was going to be like a sweet clubbing powerhouse, kind of like your Versace Eros. This, or is it Dylan Blue? Might be Dylan Blue. No, I know exactly what it is. It's Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. That's what this is. Which again, that is another one of my favorite ones. The only problem with that fragrance is it only lasts about 5 hours, and the first 2 hours are projecting beasts. It is so wonderful. So if this will last like that, this is gonna be a big one. So this will definitely be my fragrance of the day tomorrow. I'm gonna test this sucker out and see what it's like and see how it performs. Hopefully, please let it last, because this will be maybe my favorite pickup of the year. We'll see. Fortunately, you got to deal with Le Mans Elixir. You've got to deal with Spicy Leather from Salvatore Ferragamo, which I keep talking about because that is one of my favorite fragrances. But this, ooh, if it performs well, I'm going to love it. So that's it for today. Yeah, that rose is really coming out nicely. Anyhow, this is Nubs Fragrances. Talk to you soon.